what's up everybody? So we are officially expanded into the Northeast. We're in New York City right now. So if you were in the Northeast, if you're in New Jersey, Delaware, New York City, anywhere in New York State, we can come to you, supplying services nationwide and worldwide, international, anywhere, on site. Check us out online, EXQUISITEMAD.com. We just had a successful mobilization and deployment to here in beautiful New Jersey. And we are embarking on a project that involves tanker trailers, tanker polishing. And we are going to be performing this service on site here at our client's location. And we're going to be taking care of an entire fleet of these units, like the one that you see beside me right here. Everything that we do is, of course, DOT compliant, OSHA compliant, 100% safety first, not only for our personnel, but also for the units that we work on, with no compromise. So I'm gonna take you around with this tanker and I'm gonna show you the before on this unit. And as you can see, it's been acid washed for quite a long time. It's not rough to the touch, but you can actually see the pitting that's in here, and that's because the pores are open in this metal and it's open in the aluminum. And the idea is that we're going to be polishing the surface of this tanker. So let me walk you down. There are some gouges on here, as you can see, and some wear and tear that has occurred on this unit. We're going to walk on down. Coming around here, you can see just some scratches that happened here. It's got a few dents in it. There and there. You can see it, there's quite a few. But, and also you can see a gouge there that had happened. I'm gonna back up just a little bit, letting you see what this unit looks like before we ever touch it. Now we have to get everyone together and get ready to start on this project. Let's go. So out here on location, about to start on another unit for our client here. All right, something that you'll notice about this tanker and about this trailer is that it has been acid washed. Now, looking at the surface of it, over the years of this being acid washed, you can actually hear the roughness. That isn't dirty, because there's nothing on my hand. It's rough to the touch. Overall condition and pre-existing condition dictates the results and the outcome of any type of reflective aesthetic enhancement polishing service that we offer. So we're not doing any type of structural modifications. We're not doing a restoration. We're not changing the metallurgy. We're not changing the characteristics of the metal. The only thing that we are doing, and the main object is to refine the surface. Is it going to be flawless? Absolutely not. There's no physical way that a surface can be atomically 100% flat and 100% flawless on a polish level, especially not by machine polishing. That safety comes first. One other thing that you'll notice is that we will be wearing PPE, everything that is OSHA compliant and DOT compliant for working in a secure area. DOT regulations, TSA, Department of Homeland Security regulations, FAA, etc. We make no exceptions. All right, everyone, wanted to show you something we have eaten here numerous times, and it is a real Italian restaurant, and real Italian, and they have all kinds of good stuff, and it's Sicilian, and awesome people. Gotta check it out. If you're in New Jersey, you gotta check out John's Pizza. Anyway, let me show you this. So these are real bread. That's real, what is it? Non-bleached flour, non-brominated, unbrominated flour. It's amazing. This is frozen. They gave that to us to take home with us. And then here we have, because we're up here, this is a real Philly cheesesteak, and no, they do not taste like the kinds that you may see or get at. Look at that. That's a real Philly cheesesteak. Italian bread on here, and they bake that there. And then we have this. It's made with the same non-bleached flour and unbrominated flour, and it is amazing. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. Just wrapped up with this fleet, and as you can imagine, it turned out absolutely exquisite mad. And before I actually show you the after and the results here, I'm gonna just let you know, if you're interested in inquiring about any of Exquisite MAD services, please contact us at info@exquisitemad.com or 800-292-2341, serving internationally, worldwide, and nationwide across the United States of America. So please give us a call, check everything out online. If you have any questions, just reach out. Without further ado, I'm gonna let you see the results.